this video, I'll show you how to change the font size on Apple Big Sur operating system. First, you need to go on the top left corner and select System Preferences. Then go down here and select Displays. You'll be able to check the scaled option right here. And then you'll have to choose between these four options. You can have a small preview on the left side. Unfortunately, on Big Sur, there is no way to change only the font size. The icons will also go smaller or bigger. And sometimes the resolution, when you choose a larger text, is not that great. But this is the only option. If you found another solution, please let me know. Give a thumbs up if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.